I wanted to add some drone footage to my video presentations, so I mounted a quad lock mount on the back of my RC remote control for my DJI Mini 4 Pro, and that way I can mount it on the handlebar temporarily. And I left the lanyard strap on there so I could sort of mount it to the tank in case it fell off. But it worked pretty good, and this is my first test using the active track or follow me mode, riding the bike, getting ready for a trip to New Zealand, and I think it'll be pretty cool.